Hey, what is up, guys? This is Brandon here, and today we're at the grocery store doing the neck crack prank. Ow, God, my neck.
I'm cool with it. Don't
Thank
let the
you.
night manager know that you're filming it for 30 seconds.
Excuse me? Does my nose look weird?
No.
No? It doesn't look weird?
No.
Because like whenever time I go.
Ooh.
Excuse me? Does my nose look okay?
Yes.
Like, it doesn't look like crooked?
What are you doing?
And at that moment, that poor woman thought that she was about to be a victim of the knockout game. Ouch. Excuse me? Does my nose look okay?
Yeah.
It doesn't look weird or anything?
No.
Okay, every time I go,
Oh, okay.
it really hurts.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. Well, we're recording a video.
Okay.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. Definitely there's going to be a couple pranks coming soon and a couple new ideas for the channel. But for this video in particular, I want to give a shout out to Omar. Thank you to Omar for being a cameraman, and thank you to Jordi Aponte for also accompanying us on this trip. But yeah, that's pretty much it. There's a few new ideas that I'm kind of thinking of. I'm getting a few people together who are spontaneous, easygoing people that I want to be in the videos as well. But definitely stay tuned. If you have any ideas on what you want to see, definitely leave those in the comment section. But other than that, like, subscribe, share, and stay tuned. See you next time. Peace.